Good morning everyone. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're here watching this video, it's probably because, like me, you would love to have some designer clothes but you just don't have the budget, and probably never will, in my case, have the budget to buy things like Chanel dresses. So I've been doing some creative shopping online and I managed to buy a dress for just over £400, which is Chanel. I'm going to show you the dress and all of its little bits and pieces, and I'm going to show you where I bought it from. So the first thing I think that you need to think of when you're buying secondhand, any kind of vintage things, is where are you buying from? So I bought mine from a shop called Sign of the Times, and I'm going to show you the website now. So this is the website. It's wearesott.com, and if we scroll down here, we can see that they've been featured heavily in these reputable kind of publications, which reassures me. And then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, the website looks professional, which also kind of reassures me. If we come down to authenticity, just here, we've got this nice little statement which says, you know, they've been doing this for over 20 years. They are inspecting every item, which makes me feel reassured. And they have all of these sort of Trustpilot reviews. Which I was reassured by. Ultimately, I sort of feel like unless you are going to go into Chanel or perhaps go to somewhere like Net-a-Porter and buy something yourself and it comes out, you know, from the Chanel employee with the Chanel bag, you're never 100% going to be able to say this is Chanel. You need to be able to walk into the shop and do that. But for me, like, I think I've done enough to, you know, consider that this is an authentic dress, and therefore, I'm really happy. So I guess that's the bottom line. So let's look at the dress. Here she is. So she's obviously come with, and I'll show you the tags. So I don't know why I'm calling her she. So here you are, £406. She's obviously come from Sign of the Times. So the label is there. Can see that there is a Chanel label in here. Let me show you this better. So there is a Chanel label here. It has been split, you know how they do sometimes. So the label is incised. There's another label here. And we have another label on the inside, which has just got the manufacturing instructions, if I can find it. There's another label here, but it doesn't give us any more clues about the dress. It says it's 93% silk. I can only think that's a good thing. But it doesn't give us any more clues as to the authenticity. But what does is, if we look at these beautiful buttons on the back. So, I don't know if you can see that each of these beautiful buttons has got the Chanel sign on, and it's not, sometimes when you see fake Chanel stuff, the logo C's are imperfect in some way, like they're not completely straight, or the join is in the wrong place. Here we are, look, so, and this is on all of the buttons. The other detail is that this belt, this dress comes with a belt, and it's got the Chanel insignia on the, not the insignia, it's got the name on it. And if we turn it over, it is imprinted with the Chanel logo and the name. Obviously, all of this stuff can be copied by a very clever, fakers. But I guess I am trusting Sign of the Times to be able to know what they're looking at with 20 years worth of experience. So let me show you the dress on. I should also show you the zip, actually. There's the insignia on there as well. Can you see that? So here's the dress. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with it. I feel like I'm wearing way more than £406. And they do offer LA buy or whatever, where you can pay an instalment. So I did that. Like I said, you know, if you want authenticity, you need to go to the shop into Chanel and actually buy it. But, you know, for me, I feel amazing. I think the dress is so beautiful and I'm really, really happy with it. So thank you very much for watching. Leave me any comments. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more bargains, and thank you so much.